Silver. There are two different types of silver that I know of. Well, two basic types. There's fine silver, which is what this is made out of, and then there's sterling silver. Fine silver has certain advantages over sterling silver, which is why I prefer it, but some people like sterling silver. There's only one real reason, though, to get sterling silver. For one, fine silver doesn't tarnish as quickly as sterling silver, and when it does, it turns a nice yellow patina, which is the outside coating on the metal, which some people actually like because it looks like an antique-y kind of silver, because old silver turns yellow like that. It's also the shiniest metal in the world, the shiniest substance known to man. Silver is extremely shiny. That's why it's used in like the backings of rear view mirrors and stuff like that, and reflectors and junk, because it's so shiny. It's so shiny, in fact, that sterling silver is usually coated with a layer of fine silver on the outside to make it more lustrous. It's more expensive than sterling silver, but only slightly. We're talking about $24 an ounce for fine silver versus $20 an ounce for sterling silver. So it's not that much more expensive. It doesn't work harden, however, so no matter how many times you bend fine silver, it's never going to snap like you would with titanium. But because of that, it's not quite as strong as sterling silver, which is the only advantage that sterling silver has over fine silver. Sterling silver is good for welding, though, because it doesn't develop a fire scale. What that is oxygen combining with impurities like copper in the metal and turning it like a black or a reddish color. So welding fine silver is easy to do because it won't turn colors on you. Sterling silver is 92.5% fine silver and 7.5% copper. The copper is added because it doesn't discolor the silver, and it also gives it the work hardening property so that it will be stronger the more you work it. Which makes it good for jewelry and other applications because it's a little stronger than fine silver, but not that much stronger really. In my experience, if you get a full hard temper of fine silver, it's just as strong as sterling silver. There is another kind of sterling silver, a specialized kind, called Argentium. It's a lot more expensive. It's like double the price of sterling silver. It's like $40 an ounce. But it has all the advantages of both the other kinds of silver. So it's got the shiny quality of fine silver, and it also has no fire scale, and it has more tarnish resistance than even fine silver, so it doesn't tarnish for a very long time. But it has the work hardening strength of sterling silver, because it's actually 92.5% fine silver, 2.5% copper, and then 5% germanium, which is another kind of metal element that gives it its other properties. Gold. Now, since everybody already knows everything there is to know about gold, we all know how it looks, and we all know about how if it's a lower carat, then it's stronger because it has more impurities to it, like brass or copper. But that's really the only thing that you can use for chainmail, because chainmail you need stronger rings, and if you got 24 karat gold, it's not going to hold up to anything. So 10 karat is usually what you want, maybe even 14 karat, but probably 10 karat just to be safe. The only thing I have to say about gold is that, for one, I don't like gold because of the color, and for two, it's like 20 times the price of silver. It's ridiculously expensive. Even for only 10 karat gold, it's like $430 an ounce versus $24 an ounce for silver. So that's one of the biggest reasons why I probably will never work with gold, because it's so expensive. I mean, if someone's willing to pay for the materials up front before they even get the product, then yeah, I'll make something out of gold, but until then, I'm not going to work with it.